Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It is December 14th for Kyushu Institute of Technology, Wednesday, third period, class 9. So that puts us just after the midterm test. I want to talk about that a little bit later. But first, I want to take you through, you have a few extra assignments this week, and I want to make sure that you understand them all. First of all, this Quizlet material, we're going to be using that a little bit later, but that's going to be based on the homework that you'll do for the next week. That will help you understand what's coming up. Okay, you have your first reading quiz. There will be 2 reading quizzes, and this is the one that you'll get before the New Year holidays, and then you'll have another one around the end of January at the end of the, or after the New Year holidays. That will be due on January 17th, and a little bit after that, you'll have your second reading quiz, and that will be due at the end of the semester. Okay, so you still have some time. It's only due on January 17th. You still have some time, but I still suggest that you keep going on it, because right after that, or I'm sorry, right before that, you actually have your grammar quiz that's due on January 10th, which is the day before we come back. That's Tuesday. So make sure that you do that too. Also, you have another listening lab assignment. If you remember properly, the first listening lab assignment was here on class 3. On class 3, at the bottom of the class, was your first listening lab upload number 1. And the basic idea was that you would go to the library, put on your headphones, and listen to 100 TOEIC questions, and mark your answers, take a picture of that, and send that up to this assignment. Okay, that was listening upload number 1. This is listening upload number 2, basically the same thing, but 100 more questions, take a picture, and send it up to this assignment. That's not due until January 18th. So you can see that these are not due until January, but this is the 10th. This is due on January 17th, and this is due on January 18th. So I really suggest you get started on doing these. You can start doing the listening lab upload very soon. Do that a little bit. You have basically 1 month. So I would suggest that if you have to do 100 for the next 5 weeks, that you do about 20 every week. Maybe better at 25 every week, and that will get you 100 listening questions by the time this is due. What you have to do by this Saturday, though, and this is what I want to do this week, this class, I want to concentrate on this class, is on Saturday, you finally have to send in your career dream speech video. So today, after we do some warming up using the Quizlet, after we do that, then I want to take you through the last part of what's important for your career dream speech video. And I also want to make sure that you know how to use Zoom to record your video. You can use any software that you like, but Zoom is, I think, the easiest and the best, and it's free, and it's easiest to use. As always, every week you have your homework video and photo upload, so please don't forget that. It's on pages 99 to 104. Do the homework, watch the video, and send in your photos for your homework answers. Okay. If you have any questions, please make sure that you contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, have a good class today, everyone.